Good management consists in showing average people how to do the work of superior people. The sage words of financial legend John D. Rockefeller. So, you've got dreams. Dreams of sipping cocktails on a beach, dreams of retiring before your hair turns gray, and let's not forget the classic dream of finding socks that never disappear in the laundry. But let's not forget that dreams cost money. And managing money, well, like herding cats, it sounds impossible, but there's a tool for that. Today we're diving into the wild world of personal finance tools that promise to turn you into a financial superhero, or at least keep you from overdrafting your coffee budget. Because let's face it, being broke is so last season. You might be thinking, why do I need a tool for that? Don't tell me you're relying on your smartphone's calculator to navigate the treacherous waters of personal finance. If only balancing your budget were as simple as 2 plus 2, right? Welcome to Finspiration. Now, get ready to unveil the top 5 finance tools that'll make you rethink everything you thought you knew about budgeting, investing, and adulting. And guess what? These aren't your grandma's spreadsheets. These tools are like having a financial guru in your pocket. So, let's go. It's time to master the art of money management in style. Number 1. Mint. Say hello to Mint, your personal finance fairy godfather. This isn't just about tracking numbers, it's about owning your financial universe. With Mint, you're not just crunching digits, you're taming the financial beast. It's like having a financial planner, therapist, and cheerleader all rolled into one. Mint isn't just a tool, it's your financial BFF. Need to unravel the mystery of credit card rates? Mint's got the decoder. On the hunt for the bank account that's throwing the best interest party. Mint's your guide. And let me tell you, when it comes to conquering savings goals, Mint doesn't just applaud your victories, it throws a full-blown celebration in your honor, treating you like the financial rock star you were born to be. Thanks to its free apps, you can track your expenses on the fly, because who needs a crystal ball when you've got real-time financial insights? But let's not forget the grand finale. Mint's a showstopper for everyone. From finance newbies to seasoned money mavens, Mint is a universal translator for financial lingo. It turns bewildering graphs into works of art, all while juggling your income, budget, savings goals, and investments. So there you have it, the ultimate financial wingman. With Mint in your corner, budgeting becomes less of a battle and more of a victory dance. Did you know that managing money can boost your brain power? It's like a workout for your financial muscles. So tell me, are you ready to flex your financial muscles with Mint? Now let's move on to the next financial tool. Number 2. Fortunately. Well, aren't we lucky? We've stumbled upon something that not only sounds promising, but lives up to its name. Fortunately, this tool isn't your run-of-the-mill financial sidekick. It's more like a superhero's cape, covering everything from mortgages and investments to retirement plans, and that constant struggle of adulting. What makes it a gem, fortunately, isn't just a tool, it's your own personal financial GPS. With the power of algorithms and a pinch of magic, it paints a vivid picture of your financial landscape. Wave goodbye to the days of puzzling over pie charts and juggling spreadsheets. Fortunately wraps it all up in an intuitive software package. But it doesn't just stop at showing your financial reality. It goes full-on visionary mode. It tells you when to put your money where your dreams are. Is retirement on the horizon? Tick. Dream vacation fund? Double tick. And it does this with the finesse of a conductor leading a symphony. So, whether you're swimming in savings or dipping your toes into investing, Fortunately got your back. And the best part, you don't need a finance degree to make sense of it all. You can whip up your financial plan in under 5 minutes with their free version. For just $5 a month, you can unlock a premium seat that includes continuous monitoring and advice. Yes, that's right, the kind of advice that usually comes with a fancy title and a hefty price tag. Let's talk about something that might just give you a thrill beyond your morning coffee. Introducing number 3 on our lineup. Number 3. Yotta. Buckle up for a ride with Yotta. It's like a savings account on steroids, and it's about to turn your financial world upside down. Imagine this, the more you save, the closer you get to driving off in a brand new Tesla or swimming in a pool of $10 million. Yeah, you heard me right. Yotta takes saving money and transforms it into a heart-pounding lottery. Every $25 you deposit gets you another ticket in the weekly cash bonanza. And guess what? They're drawing numbers daily. In July alone, folks have raked in a whopping 6.65% back on their savings. Compare that to the snooze-worthy average of 0.05% from your typical savings account. Plus, Yotta's throwing in a guaranteed 0.2% interest just to sweeten the deal. And the prizes? Well, they range from pocket change to jaw-dropping jackpots. You can score anywhere from a cool $10 to a quirky 15 cents. If you are wondering, this is too good to be true, I've got your back. Dive into an awesome AMA session with Yotta's co-founder, Adam Moles, and you'll see this thing's as legit as a dollar bill. Number 4. M1 Finance. Welcome to the financial playground where personalization meets automation. It's M1 Finance. Say goodbye to cookie-cutter investments and hello to your tailored wealth journey. Let's talk customization. M1 lets you handpick investments and stitch them together in your unique investing quilt, and all without that pesky price tag. Yep, it's free. M1's got this nifty borrow feature. You can tap into your investments at a mere 2-3.5%. No paperwork marathon required. Think digital banking is a drag. Think again. M1 Spend feature serves up the smoothest fusion of banking and investing you've ever seen. It's like having your financial cake and eating it too. M1 Finance is your financial concierge, a master of multitasking. It does the nitty-gritty while you paint your financial masterpiece. Unlike those other platforms that slip a usage fee into your financial handshake, M1 keeps it real. M1's Auto Invest feature makes sure your goals aren't just goals, they're destinations. No more crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. If you're part of the plan, you're in for treats. How does a 1.5% rate cut on borrowing sound? Fancy an afternoon trade window. And what's that? Oh, just 1% cashback and 1% APY with the Spend checking account. Now, stick around, you won't believe what's coming up next. Number 5. Wealthfront. Alright, last stop on our financial roller coaster, we've got Wealthfront, the Jedi Master of robo-advisors. This app is the whole enchilada, offering goal setting, investing, banking, and financial planning, all served up in an irresistibly user-friendly package. Wealthfront's not just here to impress, it's got a secret weapon called the Path. It's not just a scenic route, but a financial planning tool that takes your account data and third-party info to predict your money's future. Wealthfront's got your back with goal setting for things like that college fund or snagging your dream home. They're tossing in a line of credit portfolio, helping you juggle multiple goals like a pro, and even throwing in some tax loss harvesting magic as well. But before you dive in head first, here's a little nugget of info. Wealthfront isn't all chit-chat when it comes to online help and those high-end mutual funds. They're strictly reserved for the finances of the VIPs. So, whether your financial destiny prefers head-banging anthems or graceful symphonies, consider Wealthfront your financial maestro, conducting an electrifying symphony for your money matters. That's all for today's video. We've journeyed through the realm of personal finance tools that can transform you from a mere mortal into a money-savvy wizard. From budgeting battles to investment quests, these tools have your back, ensuring that financial success is no longer just a dream. But before we part ways, let's leave you with a thought. What could you achieve if you manage your financial world with the help of these tools? Whether you're a budgeting beginner or an investing pro, these tools have something for everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this adventure. Get started today and turn your financial journey into the adventure of a lifetime.